welcome back to my kitchen. I am Charlsie, and I've been away for a couple of weeks, but I've been trying some recipes, and I found one that I think you're going to love. It is a super fast breakfast using your cast iron. Sorry, I had to turn my skillet off. Using your cast iron, and it is called Shirred Eggs, which I've never made before, and once I tried it, it is on regular rotation now. So let me show you how to make the shirred eggs with ham and tomato, and just join me at the stovetop. You're gonna love this one. The first step is to melt a tablespoon of butter in a 5 or 6 inch cast iron skillet like this. Now I've turned the heat off, and I've got some just sliced ham, and you're just gonna layer this on the bottom. And you just can use the ham of your choice. I'm trying to find some big pieces, but just kind of think of it like a little puzzle and line the bottom. And you're going to serve this in the cast iron, so you don't really have to worry about how this ham looks going in. You just want to make sure you have a nice little layer. There we go. Okay, this looks pretty good. Patch up that little hole there. One more right there. Okay. Next step. Take your favorite tomato sauce. I had some of this mids in the fridge, and you're just going to have to trust me on this. You're going to take a tablespoon and another one, so 2 tablespoons. Spread that around. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 350. And the first time I tried this, I was like, how in the world is that going to taste? Tomato, ham. Anyway, I've been proven wrong that it's awesome. Now, you'll need 2 eggs. I'm going to crack them in this little clear bowl just to make sure we're not getting any shell. And I'm going to pour 1 in. And then another. And comment below and let me know if you've ever eaten shirred eggs, or if it's a common thing that you cook at home. I'd love to hear your recipes. I've got 1,000 ideas of different layers for this. And let me know. In the South, we do a lot of fried eggs and bacon fat and stuff like that, but I've never done this. So I've got some Redmond salt, so I'm going to sprinkle that. A few cracks of pepper. And I've got one more ingredient. I got to pause and go grab it. I'll be right back. Here's the secret ingredient, heavy whipping cream. And you're going to just drizzle about a tablespoon or so over your egg. And now this is ready to go into the oven at 350 for 5 to 6 minutes. You just want the whites set, but the yolk is still going to be runny. Just 6 minutes later, at a 350-degree oven, we've got these beautiful shirred eggs with your ham and tomato, and we're going to top it with some fresh chives from the garden. And I was thinking, this would be so good if you had the ham, of course, fresh tomatoes, maybe a little mozzarella, your eggs, and then top it with basil, almost like a caprese. I mean, you could even put Canadian bacon or even pepperoni under there if you wanted. So this is one that I think will be a lot of fun for you to try at home, and make your own layers, and let me know what you find works great. but I know this is delicious. This is my breakfast this morning, and I'm just so glad that you joined me today. And I want to tell you something. Total confession. Some of the recipes that I've tried recently were bombs. And I am not going to put this out on the channel. I'm not going to put anything out that's not good. So I hope you understand that and respect that, because some people are doing this for a living. This is my hobby. This is my passion. I love to cook, and I love teaching other people how to cook. So you can rest assured, if you're trying a recipe on this channel, it's tried and true. So thanks for joining me. Give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you've been having shirred eggs all your life, because it's a new thing for me and I just want to learn more. I will see you again soon.